Hello, Lionel. Great to have you here in this session. And could you please share us an update on CT side?
So thank you. It's now our traditional update after the last plenary. It was the CT 89, and I will give you some main information after this plenary. As you know, it's coming right after the completion of Release 16. So it was officially announced in June at the last plenary. So it was the meeting right after, and what we have done, obviously, it's we have seen some correction because there is a kind of maintenance as soon as you have completed the release. But for CT, it was also the start of the work on the Release 17. So regarding mission critical services, what we can say is that we have approved a set of work item already. So we have approved a work item. So work item, it's some activities that will be done in the time frame of the Release 17. So we have agreed something regarding the enhancements of MCPTT, what we call phase 3. So what we have decided is to define the different set of features and to introduce them in different phases. So we are now at the phase 3, and the phase 3 will incorporate some correction and enhancements that are resulting to some interrupt event, and we have discovered some issues that it will be fixed there. And you have a set of enhancements like location management, the use of the management of the pre-configured groups, and I can quote also unicast media stop resume if you want to have more information. We have also agreed the phase 2 of the mobile communication system for railways. So it was introduced already in Release 15, but as usual, we are working on and providing some enhancements. So as you know already in Release 15, everything was based on MCPTT group calls, and we are providing further enhancements in Release 16 and in Release 17. And in Release 17, we have everything regarding call forwarding, call transfer of private calls, or the use of functional aliases. So you can check that also in the work item description. In Release 16, it was not possible to complete the protocol aspects regarding the interworking between mission critical communication system and the legacy land mobile radio system like Tetra or P25. And it was agreed to postpone the work that was supposed to be achieved in the Release 16 and to do it in the Release 17. So the corresponding work item was also approved at the last plenary. One interesting topic is a new work item that will be approved, not right now, but at the next plenary, but it's on the support of minimization of service interruption, what we call MINT. And the aim of this goal, the aim of this work is to minimize the time of interruption of a network when you have some kind of disasters like fires or earthquake. And the work will be done in CT, that is, we will define the functional requirement and also the protocol aspects. So it was not approved at this meeting because we need to coordinate with SA just to ensure that it was okay to do it in CT. And it was approved to do that. So the official work item will be approved at the next plenary. And for other information, with coordination with the other TSG, so RAN and SA, it was decided that to indicate that the meeting for the next year will still be in the electronic format. So at least till June, which means that it's not possible yet to schedule a face-to-face meeting. And this will have an impact on the workload in Release 17. So what we can expect is a shift of the freeze of the Release 17, but it was too soon to appraise the time needed to complete the Release 17 roadmap. So we will decide at the CT level in coordination also with SA and RAN in December. So based on the status of the functional aspects, so what we call the stage 2, we will be able to appraise the work needed at the stage 3 level and to agree on a firm date for the completion of the release 17. And I think that with this last point, you have the main output of the last CT plenary, and I will see you after the next one for the traditional updates.
Thank you very much. This is very good information. Thank you so much, and best of success to all the work, and to all the audience. I'd like to encourage you to take time and the effort and bring your competence and resources into CT. That's really important work there, and it's really important for us to finalize those features there in order for them to be implemented and rolled out on the field. Thank you very much again, Lionel, and best of success.
Thank you very much.